Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey. Before I get started with today's DIY, I first want to say thank you for over 80,000 subscribers in only 2 years on YouTube. I am so blessed and so grateful for each and every last one of you. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video and you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below so that you can be subscribed to my channel. Also hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the DIY. First, I'll be using some adhesive diamond bling wrap. This is in the color gold. Again, you can get these from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to be using some collapsible storage containers. And here's the finished effect of what we're going for. I got these wonderful handles from Amazon. I'll have it listed in a description box. Here's what your storage container will look like before you bling it out. It has a nice handle right on the front of it. I'm actually going to turn it around and use the back of it so it can be a flat surface. You're going to use 2 packs of the diamond wrap on each storage container. Peel your adhesive off of the back of your bling wrap. So I'm going to center this as best as possible. I want the black part on the bottom to show. I don't really care about the top black part to show. So I'm going to line up my bling wrap on the bottom black line. Next, I'm going to measure my other bling sheet and cut off the excess. Peel off the adhesive and place it on your storage container. So next we'll take our blinged out storage container and we're going to find the center. You can either use a ruler or you can just eyeball it. You can take a ruler and you can just measure 5.5, find your center, 5.5 the other way and find your center. Mark it with a Sharpie. Boop. Just make your dot or your incision there, and then you can just cut out that little part and add your handle at that intersection. I'm going to just eyeball it, use a Sharpie, mark it, cut it with a scissor, and add my E6000 to my handle and allow that to dry. Next, I'm going to take a box cutter and cut it out. Next, I'll take some E6000 and add it to the center of my storage container. Then go ahead and add your diamond handle. And voila, super cute. I'm going to go ahead and allow this to dry, and I'm going to complete the other 2 of my storage containers. Just a really quick note, when you cut your center, you're going to cut 3 up and 3 across, and that'll give you the perfect dimensions to add your diamond holder. So here's what my beautiful storage bins look like once they're all blinged out. I love them. I created them for this beautiful cubby right behind me. I'm going to allow these to dry for maybe an hour or so and then show you guys what it looks like. So here is the finished product. It turned out really nice. You guys know I love me some bling. I love me some glam. This sets it off very perfectly. I enjoyed today's DIY so much. I hope you did too. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, you guys hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload something new. I'll be back with another DIY really soon. Have a blessed day and I'll see you all later. Bye.